Hello and welcome to Managing Oracle Database Storage Structure practice. In this practice, we are going to create a new table space and view some information about table spaces and data files. In the first part of the practice, we will create a table space by using SQL plus command, and then we will create a table space by using Oracle Database Express. So let's first connect to the database by running ORNV. Type the database RCL, connect as a sysdba to the database. Here we can create table space. Let's name it, for example, sysdbs2 data file, location of the data file, for example, /01 app oracle or data slash orcl, name of the database, then test underscore dbs2.dbf, size of the file, for example 120 megabyte. Let's do auto extend on, increment by next 100 mega. So table space created. Let's create a table space by using Oracle Database Express. Log into the Oracle Database Express as sysdba. To create a table space using Database Express, go to Storage, Table Spaces. As you can see here, we have example table space, sys auxiliary system, temp, test TPS, test TPS2, undo, and so on. We will create a new table space. For example, test TBS3, table space 3. We will create permanent table space, small file, status online, click next. Data file, you can go with using Oracle managed files. Using Oracle managed files again, the database file names will be automatically generated and stored in the path defined in db underscore create underscore file dist parameter. We will go with normal naming /01, provide the name of the and location of the file, or data orcl, name of the file test underscore tbs3.dbf, click add. Size of the data file, for example 200 mega. Auto extend on, if you need to use auto extend on or auto extend off, we'll use auto extend on by, for example 50 mega. Maximum size, for example 10 giga. Next. Extend allocation, automatic database block size for this table space, the default for the database, which is 8 kilobyte. Next. I will enable logging. Next. Automatic for the segment space management, and compression null. We can use show SQL. This is the command that will be used to create the table space. You can copy this, for example script. You can save it on your local PC. Click OK. Here we have done. You can click OK to create the table space. Table space has been created successfully. This is our new created table space. This is the table space created during SQL Plus. This is created by using Database Express. From the same page, we can manage a specific table space by selecting the table space that we want to manage and go to action. In the action, you can set status to offline or read only. You can add a data file to this table space. For example, I will add a new data file to test tbs3, for example /01 app oracle or data orcl /test underscore tbs3 underscore 02.dbf. Add size 100 mega, unlimited. Okay, so I added a new data file to the same table space tbs3. So if you expand tbs3, you will see two data file with size 200 mega auto extend on, maximum size 10 gigabyte, and another data file which is 100 mega, auto extend on also. The size is unlimited, which is up to 32 gigabyte in case the block size 8 kilobyte. For the data file, we can managing also the data file from the same page. Click the data file that you want to manage. For example, click to actions. Here we can edit, auto extend, or resize the file, or change the status offline, or if it is offline you can bring it online, and so on. So we can, for example, resize the file. I want to change it to, for example, 300 mega. Resize successfully. Here we can see 300 mega, 100 mega. Viewing information about table spaces and data files, we can go either with using SQL Express or using SQL Plus. If you want to view information about your table spaces and database files using Database Express, from the same page here we can view many information about table spaces and data files. For example, this is name of the table space. If you want to see information about data files, you can expand the plus sign here. This is the whole size of table space, which is the size of all data files within this table space. This is the free space in the table space, percent used, what if it is auto extend on, auto extend off, the maximum size of each data file in the table space, and the type of the table space. Type of the table space either permanent, undo, or temporary. Temporary, we can see this is the sign of the temporary, like recycle bin. This is permanent, this is undo with red arrow. This is the directory of the database files. This is how to view information about table spaces and data files using Database Express. To view information about the table spaces and data files using SQL Plus, you can use the data dictionary views. Data dictionary views mainly DBA underscore data files and DBA underscore table spaces. So let's view information about table spaces by using DBA underscore table spaces data dictionary view. Select, we can select table space underscore name, for example, contents. Contents, this is the type of the table space, either permanent, temporary, or undo. Logging, you can see also logging, segment space management, extent management, status online, offline, and so on. Status from DBA underscore, for example, table spaces. So this is information about your table space. You have system table space, permanent, logging enabled, online, and so on. For temp and example, no logging is used in our case. Status is online for all table spaces. If you need to get information about database files, you can describe DBA underscore data underscore files data dictionary view. Select table space of the data file, file name, bytes, size of the data file in bytes. You can divide it by, for example, 122 to get the size in a megabyte. And we can also get the maximum size of the file and we can also get if it is auto extend or not by using auto extendable from DBA underscore data underscore files, order by table space underscore name. So this is information about the data files in each table space. In our case, example, table space has only one data file. The size of the data file in megabyte, maximum size in megabyte, which is unlimited in our case, which is 32 gigabyte. Yes, it's auto extend. For our created table space, for example, test underscore tbs, we have two data file. The first one, which is the size 100 mega, maximum size is 32 gigabyte, which is unlimited, auto extend yes. The second, which is 300 mega, maximum size, which is 10 giga, auto extend on yes. This is how to get information about table spaces and data files by using two dictionary views. The first one, which is dba underscore table spaces and db underscore data underscore files. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.